Polly, what are you having to eat here? What? You having Sarah? No, what's your food called? Can't hear you. Grinch pancakes and Grinch hot chocolate. Look at that.
The jelly too?
We're here
Yeah.
eating out. Polly's having Grinch pancakes. You know, the daughter there that doesn't want to be in our vlog, she's having cinnamon. I'm having this and this. And Polly's having that because he likes the Grinch, right?
Yeah.
We really would have gone to the movie, right? Yes. And other people who are with us are eating. This person here has a big meal. Well, it's almost gone. And pancakes and a drink. This is chocolate chip. And then this is, forgot what it's called, birthday cake batter. Hash browns, eggs, toast, and then, holy cow, you should have got that, Paul. Blueberry, wow, that looks good.
Wow.
Blueberry. So, try to guess, don't tell them, try to guess where we're eating. Comment below, what are we eating? What? I need syrup. So comment, subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification button. Hello, Polly, I'm talking to you. Don't forget to share because sharing is, hello, caring. And don't forget to pay it forward because it feels good in your heart. I guess Polly's shy in front of everyone. Bye for now, guys.